Banjit. Today we're going on exploration, okay? Come on, let's go. We're going to a very specific location where we're going hunting, okay? Hunting for what? Cells. Okay, let's go a little bit more. Remember, the forest is a very dangerous place. Always be prepared. First, for preparedness, nice footwear, okay? Slippers, #1, best. Next, you want to have hat. Very sunny up there, so we want hat, okay? Next, have stick for guidance. Very good, okay? Okay, looks like we found one, okay? Okay, now we have to be very careful, very careful. This is the cell right there, okay? Whoa. The cells are always guarded. He's coming. I think he's gonna pass. Just stand out the way. Okay, we can go back to the cell. We have to be very careful. Alright, good. We found one. This is a cell. This is a cell. It is the building blocks of life, okay? We're gonna follow it. We're gonna follow it on the journey of mitosis. Let me explain what's gonna happen. A cell goes through many parts in mitosis. The first part is called interphase. It consists of 3 parts: G1, S, and G2. Okay? Now, we're gonna go into the next step, which consists of PMAT: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. At the end, there's cytokinesis. That's when the cell is fully developed and ready to be pinched off into 2 new cells. What about this mitosis, okay? Okay, interphase has 3 parts. G1 is when it grows and develops, okay? S phase, most important part. It replicates the DNA. G2, it resumes growing and in preparation for division. After this, there's 4 parts and then the final part, okay? Prophase is when the chromosomes become visible. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up in the middle, single file, okay? In anaphase, the chromosomes start splitting, okay? And in telophase, cytokinesis starts here. And in telophase, the newly separated chromosomes reach the mitotic spindle and a nuclear membrane forms in the middle. And then cytokinesis keeps going and splits the 2 cells, and there are 2 new cells. These are the 2 cells going through meiosis. This only happens in gametes. For males, it's the sperm. For females, it's the eggs. This is how you were made. Okay? Let me explain what happens. Okay, once we saw the 2 cells over there, they're going through meiosis, okay? 1 cell splits into 2 cells. During that process, there's what happens in meiosis, but different, okay? During interphase 1, interphase only happens in meiosis, 1 time, okay? So during interphase 1, the DNA in the cell is copied, resulting in 2 identical full sets of chromosomes. These are going to be divided, okay? During prophase 1, the copied chromosomes condense into the X shape that you are used to see. The chromosomes pair up so that both copies of chromosome 1 is together and chromosome 2 is together. During metaphase 1, the chromosomes line up in the center of the cell, but this time it is next to each other. Okay, they're lining up in the center of the cell next to each other. Anaphase 1, this is when they split. During telophase, the chromosomes complete this move and cytokinesis also starts again. Telophase 1. That's when the nuclear membrane forms again. In cytokinesis 1, they split and they're 2 cells, gametes. Alright, after this, there's no interphase. There's maybe a small period of time for waiting, but still, there will be no full interphase. Then we go to meiosis 2. Prophase 2 happens. Now there are 2 daughter cells, each with 23 chromosomes. The centrioles duplicate, the mitotic spindle forms again, and the membrane around the nucleus in each daughter cell dissolves away. In metaphase 2, Each of the two daughter cells, the chromosomes, pair of chromatids, line up end to end along the equator of the cell. Remember, this time it's end to end. Anaphase 2, this is when they split apart, the spindle fibers pull them apart. Telophase 2, the chromosomes complete their move and they split apart. The nuclear membrane pinches and cytokinesis pulls it apart. Now there's 4 cells. Each of them are different. They all have different identities. This is what forms you. This is why this is why you're not the same as your siblings, okay? Look, it happened. 4 new cells. These are gametes. In my case, these are sperm cells, I think. In females, they're eggs. Good job, right? Meiosis? Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to the Nature Lab. Here we're going to discuss the differences and similarities between mitosis and meiosis. So mitosis is only in somatic cells, which are the regular body cells. The product is 2 daughter cells, and all of these daughter cells have 46 chromosomes. And all the daughter cells are identically the same. In meiosis, though, it's in reproductive cells or gametes. In males, these are sperm. In females, these are eggs. Meiosis results in 4 non-identical cells. This is why you don't look the same as your sibling. You might look similar, but not exactly the same. This is done because chromosomes bind together in meiosis and they share their genes. So it could be any random picking and any random combination. But in mitosis, it's all identical because they just replicate and divide and split into 2 cells. Remember that in meiosis, obviously they're in gametes. There's 4 daughter cells. All daughter cells have 23 chromosomes, so only half of the somatic cells. This is because to make you, half of your chromosomes come from your dad and half of them comes from your mom. So this is why you only have 23. And yeah.
What you want?
I'm DJ Cobrio, and this is my crib. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Cario.
I love you, Todd. Love you, Allison. This is for you guys.